Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have mackerel.
Wow.
Tastes good?
Tastes good. Want to hold that?
Yeah.
Tastes good. Family, I can't wait. I'm starving, y'all.
He is so hungry. He came from a long day's work. So I understand. I'm going to let him go ahead and eat.
Hey, while you chat, cuz.
While I'm going to chat.
Talk.
But before... Well, I can't say before I dig in. I'm not gonna dig in. While I'm digging in, guys, go check out my outfit of the day.
Chocolate milk. I like 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 chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We are back. I know you like first day outfit because I love it.
I'm not naked. I do have on something. Okay, as you can see in the outfit of the day.
Oh man.
So, I know you guys can see the background. We're working on the background, trying to change it up a little bit so it can be more personalized to us. Let us know what you think of this color. We still want to have the greedy couple in the background. We may have to move it up. We gotta just fix it, but so far so good. And we like how it's coming out, but we want your guys' opinion. So let us know if you think the yellow should stay or what color do you guys think. We are gonna have the greedy couple move up a little bit more.
Okay, I'm going to start.
So you can see it in the back. But
let's give them that test run, you know?
other than that,
Test run.
this is a test run to see how it looks on camera and everything, right?
Yep. But listen. Family, this right here, you heard what she said? Salt mackerel. This is the next Jamaican dish. Yeah, mackerel, that's in the sea, but it's salted. You know what I'm saying? And this one have the bones in it.
Yes.
No? Let me get a little up and personal look. Right here. Let me look a piece. Don't drop like it drop. Right. This one got bones in it. Okay. I'll cool it. Cool it
down.
That's it. That's the salt mackerel. And then I got four dumpling. Oh man, how was your weekend?
You know something that we had?
Sorry. Always. Yes, you know we missed y'all.
We really did.
You know that. You know that. We always do.
It's really good. It's salty, but not too overpowering. If that makes sense.
Yeah. This is salt. This is a salt mackerel. What do you need?
So family, we have yuca, green banana,
Man, leave me explain.
and dumpling.
I'm hungry today, man. A.K.A. food. I've heard they tell you before.
So, again, I got 3 dumplings, and I'm not gonna eat 3 dumplings.
And how much you gave me already? How much you put? 4. Prefer make 5.
Plus mine will make 5. Makes sense.
This is real good.
Thank you.
I'm hungry, family. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't capping. All my islanders out there, you know what this is already. Okay? But this one, family, when you cook this, you gotta make sure you boil it. It's like the saltfish. It's like the codfish. Yeah. It's salty. But a little bit of salt, I give it a taste. You don't want to boil it too much, but you can't have too much salt in it, you know?
Yes. I like to chew on this bone.
Yes, I love the bone there.
Because it has the salt in there.
That's the one we like. Comment down if you tried it before. I know. All people them try it.
Also, this is what we use. This exact setup. Dumpling, banana, yam. I don't have yam, but yam, potato, the salt mackerel. Everything you see here is what we will use to make rendang. That is another Jamaican dish. It's called rendang.
It is.
It's so good.
Yep. Look, see the bone right here? Yeah. It's a real bone. It's real fish.
Oh, it's fake fish?
Yeah, fake fish, I mean. It's real bone. But the problem is, it's salty.
Yeah.
It's real bone, like a fish bone. Yeah. And this is a mackerel you catch in the ocean. You know what I'm saying?
I had caught one time, honey.
Yeah.
In Key West.
We cooked it a while ago.
Yeah. I caught a mackerel in Key West.
We cook it. Mackerel is good eating.
You can have a piece of this too. I had brought one in here.
People go crazy when they catch these. They're good eating, family. Right.
So, there's really 3 different kind of mackerel. And when I say 3 different kinds, it's the same mackerel, but they just have it 3 different ways, right? So the first way mackerel is the one that's in a can. This one, okay? You see it? This is the one that they have in a can, and it has tomato sauce. And you've seen us eat this on the channel before. So that's another way that they have mackerel in a can with some tomato sauce. What's another way, honey?
The second one is this one. The one without the bone. You might like that one if you like bone.
That's true.
So try that one.
That's true. And then the last one is the one that we're eating right here.
Yes.
And you can see it right here. It looks just exactly how it looks with the bone in it, and we boil it to get some of the salt out. 3 different kind of mackerel. Same mackerel, just different ways, right?
Yep. Just make it the way you like it.
And guess what? We eat all 3.
Look, we ain't put all 3 of them in here.
For real.
But look, this meat is so thick. Yes, it's the real thing. It's real mackerel. Type in mackerel if you don't know.
I look like I didn't even go nowhere.
You're a problem, man. You're up your own. Yep.
No, sir.
This is good. Yeah. How was your weekend though? I was just fine. I'm still waiting. You was good? Okay, good. That took long though. That took long to tell me how y'all doing. Yeah. Family, I feel some type of way about that $600, son. Real talk. I ain't gonna lie. And we ain't even get the full 600 first lady.
They shortened us a lot. We didn't get it.
Cause you know we gotta talk. Comment down if y'all got your full money. You know we gotta talk. Cause
Depending on the household.
The household. But even when it depends on the household, they still not giving you the right amount.
Well, that said, because a lot of my family members did not get the right amount.
That's true. We feel some type of way right now.
Okay? If you file your taxes and you have 4 people in the household, on a $600 you're supposed to get. I'm short.
Let us know. I know if we feel that way, I know y'all feel that way. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Don't promise something that don't do it.
Or do it half-ass.
Half, you know? I heard they were gonna that 2 stacks. Or that 2 stacks come through. But yeah.
And we need it. People need it.
Everybody needs it.
Basically a whole year. And for the whole year they only gave us, you know what they gave us.
But a lot of family members said they already got theirs.
I know.
But y'all got it, but are y'all happy? Because they be lying. Cause they shorting.
So they be capping.
They be capping, they be lying, son. Yo. So long time we eat this one, huh?
Long time. I'm not gonna lie.
Family, it's been a long time since we haven't eaten this one. We start planning on eating on the channel too.
Yeah.
We always eat it, but not on the channel. So this one right here, take preparation. You don't know the body. And this, you gotta drink your water, but me, I gotta drink my juice. Yeah.
Food has done my bosom.
That's a good. Yeah, get no food.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, I don't want to help her today. Yeah, today I don't want to help though.
I don't know if it's a dumpling or what.
Yeah, I could help her. I already took my part already. Why are you laughing?
I know they're saying that she don't share anyway. That's why. Family.
Yep.
Family.
You can't share because I eat off half your food already.
That's what I told him. I said between me sharing and Rich eating my food, not have no food left.
But yo, I brushed on 4 dumplings already.
5, well 4, yeah.
4. I ate, family, I ate 4 dumplings. Look, she's still. How much dumplings you put on your side? 3?
3.
Yeah, so you ate 1. Okay. That's nice.
I'm not gonna lie. But I think somebody can yam this.
Very different.
Because that's what happens sometimes when you wait long to eat. They say, how do you get gas?
You get gas. Belly full.
Gas. Not that kind of gas?
Oh my God. Gas, yeah, belly full till you know. And family, you know what we do with this too? Say we have dumpling left over, like bananas and stuff like that. So meat, we fry the dumpling.
The next day.
The next day we cut it in half, open it, and we fry it. You know what I'm saying? And then we just eat it just like that with the fry. It tastes so good.
You know the best way too is if you have leftover curry chicken and dumpling and banana, and you cut up the dumpling and banana and you fry it with the curry chicken. Man,
it's good with the next mackerel or with the tomato sauce.
Yeah, that too.
Yep. You know what I mean? Just trying to put you on something, family, you know? What? Nice.
Has anyone ever can't chat. Has anyone ever eaten rundown? Let us know. For all the island people. And
for our other family members, if you don't know, we could explain it to you in the comment if you ask. Okay?
But I can explain to them now, my love. It's like I said, it's the same exact thing. The only difference is that you put coconut milk. You cook the mackerel, but you have to make sure the mackerel is boiled out so it's not too salty. And then you add coconut milk, your dumpling, your banana, and your yam, and everything cooks down in one pot. That's called rundown.
Yep. And it run down into my belly.
And that is so good. Yeah, Mommy, we don't understand what I'm going today.
Comment down how much dumpling they ate.
It's too much dumpling, right?
They ain't gonna get it. You think they gonna get it? You think they, what you know my regular. The old time family members that would know, but the new time family members don't know my regular of my dumpling down. I think I just hit my regular mark, right? Right? Okay. So for my new family member, how much dumpling I just ate. And I know for my long time family members, I know they already know how much I always eat. So comment down and let me know. Okay? Alright, because I'm at my mark now, right? Okay.
Now going good. And the only problem is that it does have bones, but like I said, we have the ones that don't have bones. And the one in the can has bone, but it's very little.
People always ask, where my food go to hell? Oh, hold on. Short and sweet before you take my dumpling away, because I know you're watching it. Don't do that. What we got for you today?
Bone.
It's a lot of bone.
Yeah, I was wiping my mouth and the bone was in a napkin.
Pastor Rich in the building right now, you know? Word of wisdom. Family. Rich said, listen. Be loyal to your future, not your past. Alright. You know what?
That is good.
I'm gonna say it again because you didn't ask, but I'm gonna say it again. Be loyal to your future, not your past. Excuse me.
Oh, family, I'm full. Today was a full day.
We share with y'all. We shared a lot. It's our first time trying it, so let us know if you like it.
Yeah, man. Oh, onions.
Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the greedy couple. And they are for day.
The greedy family. I don't know why I always say I'm full, and I still pick. Whatever.
Come like your bird. No
For
pick.
real. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye. Mouthful, I can't talk.